I want to quickly show you 3 efficient ways on how to detect your audio file tempo in FL Studio. So the first thing you need to do is to open your FL Studio. Then you open your playlist section. Then after opening your playlist, then you go to the folder where your audio is located. So this is my folder, I just open it up. Then you import your audio into your playlist. So you can just click, drag, and drop. Then you can see the audio has loaded in, right? So after the audio has loaded in, you hover your mouse to where this title is, where this audio icon is located. So what you notice is that you see that my pointer has turned to an icon of a hand pointer. That is to tell you are already in the right spot. So when you get here, you right click. Then after you right click, you hover down to the detect tempo option. So you click the detect tempo. So when you click the detect tempo, it will take you to show you this window, and you're going to choose within the range at which your tempo can be detected. Then I'm going to choose the 75 to 150 range. I click. So 75 to 150 range, after you click, you see it's going to show you the tempo of the audio right here. So the tempo of the audio is 86. So if this is your section, you're about to record a song in FL Studio, and you're going to record, you are ought to record with the tempo of the track. So after it has given you the tempo, what you are going to do is you now set your section with this tempo. And that is why this window is asking, would you like to set the project tempo to this value? You said yes. So the moment you click yes, you see your tempo will be set in that particular tempo detected. And this will be very good for your recording. So you record in the same tempo that is in your beat. Then another second method that you can use to detect the tempo of your audio file is to also come here, click using the Edison. Using Edison to detect your tempo. So you come here, you click right here, you go to edit sample. You go to what? Edit sample. So you click edit sample. Now it will open up the Edison for you. Let me show you the second way at which you can also access the Edison. You can also go to your channel rack to access your Edison. You come right here. Then you click your audio right here on your channel rack. Then you right click on the audio inside this dialog box. Then you go to edit in audio editor. You go to audio editor, then it will now bring in your Edison for you. So on this Edison, you go to this bar where the title is of your beat. So on top of this bar, you're going to right click. You're going to right click. Then when you right click, it will show you auto detect sample. So you click auto detect. So when you click auto detect, it will show you these 3 different menus: detection for song with constant tempo. Then I click this. So you give it time for it to scan. So it's already scanning. So it has finished scanning, and this is exactly the tempo it's giving you right here. So it's actually showing you the tempo right here. So you go to show. So if you are not satisfied with that, you can also choose another one. It's going to scan, and it's giving you another tempo right here on that particular audio file. You see, it's going to give you the tempo on that audio file. So another third method at which you can detect your audio file tempo is to use the FL Studio tap method. So the FL Studio tap method is found on your tempo. So hover your mouse to this tempo right here. You can see that 2 anchor showing up. Then once that 2 anchor shows up, you right click. then you hover to the option tap, right? Then you click on tap. So when you click on tap, this box is going to come out, and this time you're going to play the song while you are tapping on this particular box. So I'm going to play the song, and you're going to tap alongside with the beat, with the tempo of the beat, to give you the exact tempo of the beat. So let's tap.
Purchase your tracks today.
So you can see it gets to a point where this particular number was consistent as you are tapping and tapping and tapping and following the beat. So this indicates that this is the tempo of the beat that you're going to use to record your song. So guys, this is basically 3 efficient way at which you check your audio file tempo in FL Studio. So do well to subscribe for more videos in this channel, and also do well to join our free music production group in the description below. See you guys in the next video.